My name is Jamie, and I'm the quality engineer here at Mitotec. I'm fairly new to Mitotec. I started on January 29th of 2024. Every position in quality, I do a lot of things, kind of involved with a lot. Here, my specific role is to work with our ISO procedures and our ISO quality manual, as well as any customer complaints, tracks and trending of our scrap, and important quality issues that we come about day to day. I do feel very valued at Mitotec. In my short 10 months, I do feel like I've become part of the family. I've been given a couple opportunities that I'm very grateful for. I was able to attend the country's largest machine trade show in Chicago, as well as visit a customer in Georgia, which is a state I've never been to. So the opportunities have been great so far. The work-life balance is awesome. I don't feel stressed when I go home. The day-to-day may become stressful, but the company gives you the opportunity to leave your stresses at work versus carrying it with you throughout the day. I've been in manufacturing for 11 years, and this is my first little over 10 months in the machining industry, metal industry, anything. So I'm not able to speak to the competition of sales, but I can speak to the opportunities for employment. Mitotec is a great employer. They offer profit sharing, which is awesome to see because a lot of companies don't share in the profit that is made, and it's nice to see a company showing appreciation for their employees, knowing that we all play a part in the success of the company. And also, in the time that I've been here, the company has grown substantially. We have brought in multiple machines, and there's more to come. So it's a great feeling. It's exciting to be a part of something right out the gate. I am very proud to work for Mitotec, though it's been a short time. I've seen the community involvement. It's amazing to me how many schools they are bringing the attention to of machining, the machining world. It is exciting to see that this is something that's coming about to high school kids for more opportunities for their future.